We're looking into some new leaks today regarding the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is scheduled to be on sale in early 2025. There is a lot of excitement for this upcoming model because the Galaxy S24 Ultra was only released in January. The S25 Ultra is anticipated to retain the flat-edge design but adding softer rounded corners for a more pleasant grip, per recent design leaks. A complex rear camera arrangement with larger rings surrounding each lens is depicted in renders from the futuristic concept on X, providing the phone a striking, elegant appearance that reflects Samsung's emphasis on premium quality. According to rumors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra would be available in 4 stylish titanium colors: silver, blue, gray, and black. Even though there is just one render of the screen, it seems that Samsung is continuing with a flat display design. The S Pen is also shown in the pictures, indicating that it will be back, which will appeal to fans who enjoy the extra features. Early benchmark results suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which should provide a significant performance improvement over the S24 Ultra. It's also anticipated that Samsung's sophisticated AI capabilities would be crucial in enhancing speed and efficiency in a variety of applications. Interestingly, Idle has already introduced its own S25 and S25 Ultra variants in a few markets. Obviously influenced by Samsung's design, as evidenced by the curved screen and comparable camera arrangement. However, the high-end hardware and AI capabilities that truly distinguish Samsung's Galaxy series from copycats are absent from these low-cost devices. Further interesting details will undoubtedly be revealed shortly, as the official S25 Ultra launch is quickly approaching. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.